What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of the FeiyuTech G6 Max. And this is a compact size gimbal. So let's jump into that. So I picked this up because I was looking for a small or compact size gimbal. I own the Ronin SC, and that is a small gimbal or relatively compact gimbal, but I wanted something smaller for when I vlog with my new Sony a7C setup, and I'll do a separate video on that kind of a whole vlogging setup. So hopefully this will be able to, work with that camera. But today we're just going to do the unboxing and initial impressions, and I'll show you guys what comes with it. So let's go. All right, let's just go ahead and rip this off right here. So here's your box. You can use it for a pocket-sized camera, an action camera, or a smartphone. It doesn't, well, it does show a mirrorless camera there. So yeah, that's the box that it comes in. Get this envelope here from FeiyuTech with, let's see what's in here. You have your quick start guide, and I guess this is for your warranty card. I'll set that to the side. It comes in a case. It's kind of like a foam, styrofoam type case. So you do have a somewhat of a case here, where you have a case. It's just not a high quality case. It's a styrofoam case. And in this little box here, it looks like you have some accessories. Let's open that up. So you have some cables in here. Here you have some accessories in here. It's a GoPro mount, screw that goes with that. Cell phone clamp, metal construction, feels some really solid quality here, or build quality I should say. And then you have a bunch of cables here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. They're all labeled for you. So you have a Type C to micro cable here. You have a 2.5 millimeter cable to USB-C. And you have a Type C to multi, it says USB-C to USB-C cable. And then you have this one that is a Type C to 2.5. I think I already said that one. I'll have to read up to see what the differences are on those, but you get those 5 cables there. You get the little tripod here. Here's your plate to mount your camera on there. Over here you have another cable. This is a USB-C to USB-C to micro U, or USB-C to USB-A Type A for charging. And then you have your gimbal. So here we have it. This is the very small, actually a lot smaller than I thought. So yeah, initial impressions here. Got a little heft to it for its size. Nice quality, build quality. No, doesn't feel cheap at all. And I've had I think two or three, two for sure. Yeah, I know I've had 2 FeiyuTech gimbals in the past. They've been really good quality. You got your buttons right there with the locks to unlock the gimbal arms there. Wow, these buttons are really jammed in there. There we go. Unlock these right there. So you have these buttons to lock the gimbal there. I hope you guys can see right here. Get you guys in focus right there. You have these buttons right there. Push up and down to unlock and lock. And on this one, to lock it, you press down. To unlock it here, press up. The other one is on the arm here. Get you focus here. To unlock it, you gotta press up. And then to unlock it, you press down. And so it unlocks. And then on this part of the gimbal, it's locked as well. So to press upwards, so it's locked, like right now. Actually, upward is to unlock it. I had it locked there. So let's get a camera on there and let's see if it works. Before I do any balancing here, I'm gonna have to plug it in and charge it. The instructions state to make sure that you charge it to 100% before you turn it on and use it. So I'm gonna do that. One thing to note is it does not bring the plug, the cube, for you to plug it into the wall. So just make sure you have one. And I just wanted to make you guys aware of that, but not an issue at all for me. I'll go ahead and charge it and then I'll balance it, show you guys. So you're gonna have to download the Feiyu On app, and I've already connected the camera or the gimbal to my phone, and I'll go into more detail about that once I do my review. But you are gonna need to do some firmware updates, so make sure you check that. All right, so that is it for my unboxing video on the FeiyuTech G6 Max gimbal. My initial impressions is pretty cool little gimbal. Setup was fairly easy. I just at first couldn't figure out the whole why it was shaking, and then it occurred to me, because it's happened to me in the past with some other gimbals, connect it to the app, download the app, connect it, fix the motor settings, and you should be all right. And that's exactly what it was. And obviously make sure your firmware is updated, and I did that. So I'm glad that it can, it handles the Sony A7C with the 20 millimeter and the mic on here with no problem. I will be doing a review here after I use it a little bit more. But overall, the quality seems very nice. Brings some nice accessories, plenty of cables for different cameras, and has, from what I can see, a lot of cool features. It even has Inception mode, which I haven't played around with today, and I'll get to that and show you guys in my review. And I'll go over all, the gimbal in detail and talk more about it. Today was just basically an unboxing and first impressions video. So just wanted to show you guys this gimbal. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment. If you're interested in getting one, I'll drop some links down below as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe.